Hi, welcome to the Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off show controller in Zoom on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the zoom. Then after that, in the zoom, scroll down and go to this section and then tap the zoom controller. Then in this part, in the zoom controller, find the show controller, and as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. When the show controller is enabled, the zoom controller allows quick access to zoom controls. When zoom out, drag to reposition. When zoom in, drag to pan zoom content, long press and drag to reposition 3D touch to pick zoom. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button just like this. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off show controller in Zoom on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!